Cracking the code. Auxiliary verbs in questions and negatives. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of English sentence structure. Our specific focus will be the subject-verb-object, SVO, pattern and how it interacts with questions and negative sentences. More specifically, we're going to learn about auxiliary verbs, those little helpers that play such a crucial role in shaping our questions and negatives. So, buckle up for this grammar ride. First things first, let's clarify what auxiliary verbs are. They are also known as helping verbs because their main job is to help the main verb in a sentence. They're used to form different tenses, voices, or moods. Some of the most common auxiliary verbs are be, have, and do. For example, I am eating an apple. You have seen this movie before. They do not like spicy food. As you can see, these auxiliary verbs help give more detail about the action taking place in the sentence. Now, when it comes to questions, the SVO pattern in English tends to get shaken up. This is where our friendly auxiliary verbs step in. Auxiliary verbs come before the subject in questions. Let's use the sentence, "He is reading a book," as an example. If we wanted to ask if he's doing this action, we'd rearrange the sentence and bring the auxiliary verb, is, to the front, like so. Is he reading a book? Here's another example. Statement: You have visited Paris. Question: Have you visited Paris? In both these examples, you can see how the auxiliary verb moves before the subject in questions. Let's shift our focus to negative sentences now. When you want to make a sentence negative in English, you need an auxiliary verb, which will be followed by not. Look at this example. Positive: She likes ice cream. Negative: She does not like ice cream. In the negative sentence, does is our auxiliary verb. Here, we introduce the auxiliary verb, does, to accompany not, as we can't say, she not likes ice cream. And what if our sentence already has an auxiliary verb, like in the sentence, they are playing football? Well, simply add not. They are not playing football. So there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of auxiliary verbs in questions and negative sentences. Remember, these helping verbs are the key to forming correct English questions and negatives. They may seem small, but they are mighty. Keep practicing and you'll soon be forming your questions and negatives with ease. Thanks for joining us on this grammar journey, and until next time, keep exploring the English language.